In this video, I'm going to be showing you an affiliate marketing course that not only helps you make money with any affiliate marketing business that you decide to promote, it can also pay you 80% commission. So I'm going to jump right inside of it. And before I even start, I'm the real Robin Williams. If you don't know who I am, I'm gonna pop on my heater real quick. And I wanted to let you know that there's a lot to this bad boy, right? It's a lot of goodness inside of the system. So you'll probably see things that you have questions on. The best way to get the most information on this company and what we're about and the latest updates is to opt into a video, not a video, but a page at the top of the description of this video. I want you to opt into that so that you can make sure that you get more information about this company because it is loaded with awesomeness. But out of all of the things that we have inside of this company, we have the Let's Go, we have, which is a goal app where you can create your goals and stuff. We have a funnel builder, which allows you to promote this business. So literally automate your business and get leads on autopilot, get people looking at your offers automatically any time of the day. And then we also have premium, which is what I'm going to be focusing on. This will be the actual affiliate marketing course. And we also have the Financial Literacy Academy, which helps you make more money, save more money, all that good stuff, right? But it's a whole bunch of awesomeness in here to include a social feed where we can help and support each other inside of the system. I'm going to jump over to premium, which is the affiliate marketing course. And what I love about this is that I've been through other affiliate marketing programs. So where all they do is focus on you reselling this program. I love to resell this program. I encourage people to resell this program because it's the best affiliate marketing program I've seen out there, as far as the ability to teach you to do what you need to do to make money in the space. Also, the commissions are extremely fair. It's 80% commissions on all of the products that you can resell as an affiliate. And so with that said, I'm going to jump right into the premium course. With my experience, I've been with this company for 9 years now. This has been the answer to my problems, to my prayers in affiliate marketing. I was about to say suffering, but it did feel like suffering. Honestly, I was struggling in affiliate marketing for so long. And this ended up being the answer that I needed to learn how to generate income, lead sales online. And so within 3 weeks of me implementing the YouTube training, I was able to get a sale. Okay. Within, I don't know how long it took me for Facebook, but basically when I started implementing that, I started getting sales and it felt foreign to me. That's how bad I was before I started this. The company teaches you the programs or the fundamental things that they learned and implemented and gotten the results themselves, right? So we have the co-founders, Mike and Paul. And so if you come into the system, and again, you can get more information at the top of the description of this video, go ahead and opt in. But ultimately, if you decide to get this program, you want to get premium, okay? This is where you have the traffic and conversions training. This teaches you how to promote anything you want. But you get a pre-traffic area where it just prepares you for getting traffic. Okay. So what does that mean? A lot of times we'd like to jump into things and just start right away. Sometimes we know something, we bring things to the table that we probably should just put on pause and go through this training and get things set up the right way. It's extremely thorough, which is good because sometimes we get started and we don't do everything. And that foundation that should have been built in the first place, it starts to crumble as we start to market our business. And it's because we didn't take our time to go through this, right? So I'm a big believer in taking your time, going through the training and taking it step by step. In fact, I may go through this just to get an experience of somebody coming in brand new and what they would see because it's been so long since I've been in the company. A couple of these are fairly new within the last few years, but a lot of this has been here for the last 9 years. And then you have to get free traffic. So this is the part where people try to just jump into without doing the foundational things. But before you even get here, let me back it up for a second. You'll be taken over to the affiliate space. Now, this affiliate space is going to teach you how to get things started for your affiliate journey inside of HBA. It's called the Home Business Academy, by the way. And ultimately, they'll give you a script that you can utilize to resell HBA if you wanted to. But this script is golden and it works for any business and it works at any time. So it is the affiliate fast start. But don't be fooled. This is not something you should do one time or when you first join. I literally used this to win, I think, third place in an affiliate contest. And so ultimately, this was amazing training for me. This is where you will actually be dropped off once you join, okay? and definitely implement that. But going back over to premium, you'll be able to go through the free traffic. One of my favorites is the YouTube SEO ranking. So right here, this ranking strategies, this is one of my favorites that you can utilize as long as you apply this to your YouTube and you keep doing it and you apply it. Okay. A lot of times I say apply something and people say, oh, I did it. I'm doing it. And you look at it and I can tell, because I've been doing this for a while, that they're not following the training, because I know what's in the training, and I can easily look at someone's YouTube video channel and tell whether they're applying it. So we don't just tell people to apply it for no reason, right? It works, and I'm living proof. That's why I love my journey, is because I knew what it was like to go through different trainings and not get any results, and then go and apply this and then get results for the first time in my YouTube career, right? So we actually have everything laid out for you. If it's things that you need to download under a video, you'll be able to download. If it's checklist at the end of that strategy, you'll most likely get a checklist, which is like a daily method of operation, things that you should do every day to keep your business moving forward. You have little oh my gosh. Listen, I'm learning something as I go through this. It's going to make me want to go through the training again. So I'm sorry, guys. I'm a little silly and excited, but this is crazy. Did they advertise this? I don't know. So this system is kind of new, y'all. I know I said I've been here since 9 years ago, but we recently revamped. That's why I'm super excited. And evidently, I thought I was up to speed on everything. But this is, I wonder if this saves. Let me test. What video is this? YouTube channel setup number 4. Let me see. If not, I'm going to ask them if they can make it to where it can. Bruh, oh my gosh. I'm about to faint. Y'all excuse me for acting up like this. This is amazing. We didn't have those little checklists like this right here. Like, what in the world? Anyway, dang, they're gonna make me go through the training again. So what I highly advise you to do when you're going through the training, do it right then and there. I'm speaking on knowing myself. I know for me to get through stuff, I have to do it right then and there. It depends on what it is, though. But I also know people, a lot of times people will watch the training, and who wants to go through, this is 15 videos. Like, bro, you don't want to go through 15 videos twice, okay? I mean, at least I don't. I know I don't, right? So do the things, like I got 2 screens now. At the time I had 1 screen. You put the little iPad on one side, watch the video, do the actions, because a lot of this stuff is foundational stuff. A lot of your YouTube channels aren't winning because you're not doing the foundational stuff that they teach you inside of here. And then also it's about the consistency and stuff. What is this? Wait, what is this? Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. This is my fault. I got some Google Chrome stuff on here. So I have some Google Chrome settings on here that's distorting some of my pages. So don't worry about that. I'm going to keep moving. And basically, let's see here. We got resources. So like this is a tool resource guide. Whatever you see that's reference in there, you just open it up and it's all right there for you. And the really cool thing about YouTube is once you get used to it, you'll be doing it like this. And once you do the foundational things, you don't have to do those foundational things over unless you want to go and edit some things in your foundation. You know, that's the only time you have to do it. If you feel like you want to do a new banner over, you know, that's the only time you really have to go back there. But ultimately, they give you everything that you need in order to get results. And this stuff works, okay? So trust the process. I'm just getting excited all over again, seeing those little checklists. Another one of my favorites is the YouTube, if you're familiar with Facebook organic marketing. So under free training, there's also simple free unlimited leads with Facebook. And this is another one of my favorites that you can do to go out there and make, I don't want to say easy, quicker sales on Facebook. So YouTube is more of a strategy that if you're brand new, if your channel is brand new, it might take a little bit longer to lift off the ground, which is totally fine. It is worth it. I promise you. I probably got quicker results because of the, my channel. I was doing something on my channel, but I wasn't making sales, that's for sure. So I had some content out there and stuff like that. And then it was crazy because after I applied all of that YouTube stuff to my channel that was already out there, it was like I had the content out there, but it was a disconnect between me and getting the sales because I didn't have the full formula. And so it wasn't even like I had to start off with a whole bunch of content. If you have a YouTube channel that you've been utilizing and you haven't been getting results from it, or you want to increase your results, you can apply it to your old content, which is pretty cool. But anyway, Facebook marketing is one of my favorites as well. It can lead to faster results as far as getting your first sale and stuff like that. So this is actually teaching you, I promise you, I've been peeking at stuff since I joined this company. This company is thebomb.com. Okay. Sometimes I'm looking mainly for different strategies that we don't have. And Sometimes you end up with the same type of strategies that we do have. And I would tell you that when I peek into those systems, there's nothing like this on the planet. Like, I haven't seen anything like this on the planet. And we only been getting better for the last 9 years. I swear, I've never been a part of a company where I always feel like today is a brand new day and it's a better day. It's a better company. It's a better everything in here. So you might see a whole lot of stuff, not might, but you do. You see my notes over here. You see all these options. I'm not going to go over that, but I will tell you that we have winning marketing strategies from short form videos to, LinkedIn. Now LinkedIn is it's a small kind of like a network marketing type style, training in here, but that, when you look at these strategies, so if I look at LinkedIn and I look at Facebook, those are interchangeable because they really run off of principles mostly. And whenever you have principle-based training, you'll be able to use them forever. This is one of the reasons why I'm with this company. It's not one of those strategies that is working really well one day, probably above most of the regular strategies by far. And then the next day is gone because it wasn't a principle-focused strategy. Meaning, if Facebook, knock on wood, was to go down today and some other platform came up similar to Facebook, I will be able to apply the same thing that I'm learning here or have been learning to that platform. And to me, that's way better than a here today, gone tomorrow strategy. So you learn a ton of things. And I like to say, learn one marketing strategy here and then use all of the other types of conversions training, email marketing training as enhancement. So what do I mean? So for YouTube, let's say for Facebook. So Facebook, we have, I think, like 6 videos here, right? What can I do to enhance my Facebook results? Well, I can watch the 3 steps to irresistible invitations. That can go with any platform though, right? It's a principle-based thing. I can use this on LinkedIn. I can use this on TikTok, right? But ultimately, if I was to focus on Facebook, I can use this to enhance my results. What else can I do? I can use launching your business to enhance my results. Okay. Even if you're not completely launching your business right now, you'll be able to use this in order to get more sales. Okay. What else can I do? Oh, nourishing the seed by following up. Oh, wow. Right. That follow up can be applied anywhere. And I can go through this training to enhance my results. And so what I like to tell people is that, you want to learn one strategy and use the other trainings to enhance, to increase your results. Another area that you're going to want to focus on is the get sales conversion. So convert leads into paying customers. This is where you'll get like more training. So you got the 13-point conversion formula, how to close online leads, getting your new team members started right, how to write emails that serve and sell, email promo conversions code, like all of that stuff. I would not start there for marketing, but I would definitely do continuing education. That way, when you're marketing anything, you're literally able to increase your sales. Okay. So that's all I'm going to show you for that. If you want to know more about what I'm doing to get results with this company, if you want to work with me to get guided through this and to just get the coaching you need for your affiliate marketing business, to market anything, definitely click on that link at the top of the description of this video, and I will see you on the inside in my email list and hopefully on the inside of this company. I'll see you on the top. Peace.